I can't even hold it. Ugh. It's a monster. 471N. So that N means new. This is a big, giant weapon. No, it's a ratchet. Ugh. Heavier. Let's see, how much does this thing weigh? 471 and 471. Okay, so the part of this series, 471, so that N, what that means or why that matters is for rebuild kits, like say this guy here. You've got like the old ones before this is their latest catalog, right? October 2020, and so they had the old 471s with the black center. If you notice this one, this is now silver. So the repair kit for that is different than the newer model. That's what that N means. So that's what all that means. But this is a monster 3/4 inch ratchet weapon. God, it's so heavy. Well, left-handed too. All right, I'll quit playing around.